Hi, this is Ed Hefner for Genie Smart Systems, showing you another innovation in energy conservation. What we have here is a little wall mount or under counter unit. You can sort of mount it anywhere you want. Let's say you want to put it under counter. As you can see, it really lights the area up. And it's adjustable. You can mount it like this, or you could mount it like this. The amazing part is that it only uses 7 watts of power. As you can see from the back, it has an adjustable ball. You can adjust it any way you want, left, right. Up and down. And it really lights up the area. This is under counter here. Now the other nice thing about it is it's dimmable. If it's too much light for you, you can dim it down to any level that you desire. And it's low voltage. Okay, so now right now we're at the low setting. That's high setting. Let me move the camera in so you can actually see what it's made out of. We'll back out. We'll turn it back down again. And this, I have it at the low setting right now. And it's doing, at low setting, it's doing a fairly good job. This is what it looks like. If you're interested in this product, you can contact us at greenautomation@drivehq.com. Again, greenautomation@drivehq.com. Thank you, and have a nice day.